The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA 70, which is the National Electrical Code, classifies FCC cables as type FCC. The code specifies that these cables may only be installed under carpet squares, as stated in Article 770.189. This requirement stems from the original tests conducted on FCC cables, which demonstrated their safety and effectiveness when installed beneath carpet tiles. While no specific rubber-backed flooring systems have been approved by the NFPA for use with FCC cables, the following conditions may allow for their consideration. Firstly, the rubber backing must be thin and non-combustible. Secondly, the flooring system must not impede the heat dissipation of the FCC cable. Thirdly, the flooring system must not release toxic fumes or gases when exposed to heat. No other floor coverings have been specifically approved by the NFPA for use with FCC cables. However, it may be possible to submit a request to the NFPA for approval of a specific flooring system. The NFPA will typically consider the following factors. Firstly, the flammability and heat resistance of the flooring material. Secondly, the presence of any conductive materials in the flooring system. Thirdly, the ability of the flooring system to dissipate heat from FCC cables. To obtain approval for an alternative floor covering, you would need to firstly submit a formal request to the NFPA using the Request for Electrical Product Interpretation form. Secondly, provide detailed information about the proposed flooring system, including technical data and test reports. Thirdly, explain why the proposed flooring system meets the safety and performance requirements of the NEC. The NFPA will review the request and determine if the proposed flooring system is suitable for use with FCC cables. If approved, the NFPA will issue a letter of interpretation that provides authorization to use the flooring system with FCC cables. Given the stringent requirements for undercarpet FCC cable installations, it is generally recommended to adhere to the NFPA's specification of using carpet squares. If alternative flooring systems are desired, it is crucial to consult with the local code officials and consider submitting a request to the NFPA for approval.